Hi guys, and a very good morning in my time zone. So generally when I get ready, I do my own hair and makeup. And today we're going to learn how to put on hair and makeup, which is more like game time, more like when you want to look extremely powerful, you're doing some presentation and you want to look that extra special, you want to stand out. So today's hair and makeup will be all about that. So stay tuned and keep watching. Each of these sections. So each of the ponytails that I made, I just started curling using my small curling iron. Okay, so any kind of curling rod, curling iron that you have, you can actually use this method with. And we are going to do together this section, and I'm going to show you how much hair I generally like. I like to take thin pieces of sections, so like about ½ an inch thick, and then I will just put in my curling iron and then I'll start rolling it. Basically spiral curls, that's all I'm creating using this method. My curling iron is self-rotating, so if I rotate this piece, it rotates the blade on top and that gives me the curl. So I'm just going to hold. Don't touch the curling iron on your forehead or your scalp, it might just burn. And then once you think it's done, then you can just unwind it and let it loose. So see how we created this piece of curl? We are going to do that for this entire section. So let's do 1 or 2 more sections. Again, the reason I like to have ponytails is because you don't have to do a lot of you don't have to use a lot of setting clips. So I'm just going to twist it around. And then we'll just keep doing it. With this, we come to the last section, just right here on the top.